Hello. In this video, we will demonstrate how organizations can safeguard their AI systems, including their inputs, their outputs, and the systems themselves, with NextLabs Zero Trust Data-Centric Security. With the proliferation of artificial intelligence and machine learning into more and more industries and applications, there is an increased need to safeguard those AI systems. Access to the systems themselves needs to be controlled to ensure the integrity of the system. In addition, access to AI and machine learning data and models needs to be restricted so that unauthorized users are not able to compromise them. Finally, the outputs of the AI systems need to be protected so that sensitive data does not fall into the wrong hands. All of this needs to be done regardless of the AI platform that is used, and the increase in the number of available AI platforms means that data security solutions must be able to safeguard the data in all of them. Here is an example of how NextLabs Data-Centric Security is used to safeguard AI systems. All policies are defined centrally using Cloud AZ and enforced with our dynamic policy engine. AI models and data are protected by the NextLabs Data Access Security products that protect data at rest. The AI systems are protected by our entitlement management products to control access to the applications and data as it is being used. Finally, our products protect the output of the AI systems when it is on the move and shared. One of the ways that the datasets of large language models and AI systems can be protected is with NextLabs' SkyDRRM product, which leverages the Attribute-Based Access Control, or ABAC policies defined in Cloud AZ, the NextLabs Zero Trust platform. These ABAC policies can help enforce the Zero Trust principle of least privilege access to the datasets. SkyDRRM can protect a folder or workspace as a rights protection-enabled folder in the file system, where you can place unprotected files. Trusted applications can access a file in the workspace, and other applications are denied access. Files moved from the protected workspace are automatically protected by SkyDRRM. With SkyDRRM, you can benefit from NextLabs Zero Trust Data-Centric protection without any reduction in system performance, specifically when you work with many files or large data sets. Now, let's look at our use case for this demo. The use case that we will show in this demonstration involves access to large language models. Access to the data files associated with a large language model in the protected workspace is only allowed from the Python command line. This is our trusted application. Access to the files associated with a large language model in the workspace from any other application is denied, which we will show by attempting to open the files with other applications through Windows File Explorer. We have two folders. One is the protected workspace for a large language model, with the file types of safe tensors, JSON, and text. The second folder is a non-protected folder and will be used to copy files from the protected workspace. We will be using the Python command line, and it is the only trusted application. All other applications are not trusted. Now let's go to the demo. Here we have the directory Work Area LLM BERT. It contains our large language model, and currently it is not protected by SkyDRRM. We will use the command line to protect the directory, setting the tags of program to LLM and classification to development. We will then use the command line to confirm the status of the protected workspace. Here we can see that it is protected and the tag values are set appropriately. Now we are going to use Python at the command line to access the large language model. We will load the model and then the tokenizer, both from the large language model in our workspace, because Python is a trusted application. We see that the large language model can be used with Python. When we go back to our workspace in Windows Explorer, we will attempt to open each of the files using Notepad++. Each file is inaccessible, which is due to the enforcement of the policy restricting access to only the Python command line application. For the final part of this demonstration, we're going to copy the large language model files from the protected workspace to another folder that is not protected. Here we can see that when they are copied to the unprotected directory, the files are automatically protected by SkyDRRM. We can confirm the protection and the tagging that we configured for the large language model has been applied to each of the files. You can see that as we check the properties for each of these files, the same protection has been applied to each one. This concludes our demonstration of how organizations can safeguard AI data using NextLabs Zero Trust Data-Centric Security. In this video, we have shown how SkyDRRM can be used to protect the data files associated with large language models and only allow access from trusted applications. Additionally, when the files associated with a large language model are copied from the protected workspace, they are automatically protected by SkyDRRM. Thank you for watching.